What's up, Geeksters? It's me, Omar from Geekster Labs, and today I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the brand new PowerBeats Pro from Beats by Dre. So for those of you that aren't familiar with these are basically completely wireless sport earbuds that have the built-in ear hooks that holds them in place. So I'll be doing a good testing of these to check them out to see how they work when doing sports and things like that. And I'll give you guys my full review of that after I've had a chance to test them out. But let's go ahead and do the unboxing to show you what is included inside the box. So as usual, this is some pretty nice packaging from Beats by Dre. They always do a really good job of all their packaging. So here we have the box right here. Oh, it's another box within a box. And there's the case right there. Very nice looking case. That's a hard case. That's hard plastic. So this is the charging case that you'll use to keep them charged up at all times. And that is pretty nice. And you can just keep that inside your backpack. It's a little bit thicker than I thought it was going to be. And you pop that open. And there you have the Beats by Dre PowerBeats Pro earbuds. Oh, that's kind of like, there's like a magnetic. That's pretty cool. So basically you just slip it in there and that's what charges them up. So this case charges them up, and I believe this case holds extra power as well, so that way when you're done using them, you pop them in here and it'll charge them up a little bit with the built-in battery power in there. And I'll go over the specs and things like that once I've had a chance to look them over and really do a deep dive in testing these out. But so far they look pretty nice, look pretty sharp. Let me take a look at these. They're very lightweight. I was actually kind of surprised by that. I thought they'd be a little bit bulkier, a little bit heavier. And this piece right here kind of reminds me of the Apple AirPods, the way that's like oval shaped, which I kind of like. I like the way AirPods fit inside your ear, so I think that looks really nice. So super lightweight. I'm pretty sure these will seamlessly sync up with my iPhone. Let's see if anything popped up on my iPhone screen. There we go. So that is what is awesome about these when it comes to iOS devices. They basically pairs up super fast. You just click on connect and it basically pairs up with your iOS device instantly, and now I can use this. It gives me the battery power of the clamshell and the earbuds themselves separately right there. Pretty nice and handy. So now I can use this earbuds with any device that I have my iCloud account set up. So my iPad, if I have any other iPhones, my MacBook, my iMac, all those different devices, I will be able to use these with them seamlessly. So that's pretty awesome. I will be doing a separate video showing you guys how you would set these up with an Android device if you guys are not into iOS or using iPhones. If you want to use this with an Android device, you can use them with that as well. But as you can see, it has a super simple, seamless way of pairing up with an iOS device. There's something else below here. Okay, so here we go. So here are additional pieces, and we have the what is this? So we do have a lightning cable, showing you that this is indeed an Apple product at this point. So we have a black lightning cable, and we have additional ear tips in there if you want to swap those out. We have 1, 2, 3 other sizes, and not including the ones that are currently on them right now. So they comes with 4 ear tips, which is pretty nice. And then besides that, we just have some of the manuals and stickers and things like that that are included in the packaging. So that is basically the Beats by Dre PowerBeats Pro wireless earbuds. Like I said, I'll be giving these a good test while working out and doing some exercise and such. And I'll give you guys my full thoughts on how I think as far as the build quality goes, if they're comfortable, if they stay in your ear, and what the sound quality is as well. If you guys are interested in purchasing this now, I'll put a link down below in the description to make that really easy for you to find. But that is it for this video, and like I said, I will be posting a video very soon on how to sync these up with Android devices in case it's something you're trying to figure out how to do. Well, that's it for me today, and I'll see you guys in the next video review.